Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'll help you how to fix can't install any app. So guys, if you want to install app from Play Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to go back, and after this open your Play Store app. Click here and wait for opening, and after this you need to click on your profile, and after this click on settings, click on about, and update your Play Store. So here you can see the option of here you can see the option of Play Store version. So here is the option of update Play Store. So first of all, you need to click on update Play Store. Click here, and here you can see my Google Play Store is up to date. So if your Play Store is not updated, then you need to update it. So after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So still having this problem, then open your settings, click here and wait for opening, and after this scroll it down, and here is the option of system update. So you need to click here and update your Android phone to latest version. So if you have update on your Android phone, then you need to download and install on your Android phone, and after this your problem will be fixed. So here you can see my Android system is up to date. So if you are is not updated, then you need to update it, and after update your mobile software, your problem will be fixed. If you have still this problem, then open any kind of internet browser. So first of all, I am opening my UC browser. So you can open anyone, Google Chrome, UC browser, Opera Mini, any kind of browser. So I am opening my UC browser, and here you need to search the app that you want to download. So here you need to search. So for example, I want to download WhatsApp. So I am clicking on searching on WhatsApp. Click here and click on search, and here you can see WhatsApp. So after this you need to download, and after this after WhatsApp you need to write apk. So here you can see WhatsApp APK. You need to search here and download from APK Pure. Here is the website of APK Pure. You need to click here, and here you can see WhatsApp Messenger is available in this website. You need to click on download, and after this scroll it down, and here is the option of download 80 MB. So you need to download WhatsApp from here, or any other app that you want to install from Play Store and can't install in your Android phone. Then you need to install from here APK Pure, and after downloading from here, then you need to install in your Android, and you will be able to install easily in your Android phone. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.